Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to act quickly. Confirm the exact NET desktop runtime version using .NET info or the app crash log so you don't install the wrong build. Once identified, back up your app folder and create a system restore point to undo changes if needed. Then download the exact matching runtime installer from a trusted source and run it as administrator. Select Repair when prompted. This fixes corrupt runtime files while preserving app settings and avoids unnecessary full reinstalls. Once the repair triggered, dig into diagnostics to catch subtler causes. Run .NET list runtimes and look for duplicate or wrong architecture entries that confuse loaders. Next, open Event Viewer and Read application and system logs for CLR or loader failures to identify missing assemblies. If system files may be at fault, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then sfc/scano to repair Windows components. If you find preview SDKs or conflicting installs, uninstall them cleanly, then rerun the runtime installer to ensure a consistent environment. Finalize by rebooting the system so services and environment variables settle, then test the application and verify the runtime with .NET info. If problems persist, clear NuGet and temporary caches, reinstall only the needed runtime, and confirm the app's target framework matches the installed runtime. For stubborn crashes, enable assembly binding logs, Fusion, or re-examine Event Viewer for missing DLL names. These show why loads fail. If you risk stability, use your system restore point to roll back and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.